Here I have Huawei Nova 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find location tag. And when you have this feature enabled, you have to grant permission for location, and right now every photo you take will be marked with its location, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.